Hey, listeners! Welcome back to AI Innovations Unleashed, part of the AI in 5 series for today of February 23rd, 2026, where we unpack the biggest AI news before your coworker posts a meme about it. Today, we're talking about a number so big it makes your student loans look like chump change. $650 billion with a B billion dollars. That's how much major tech companies are expected to invest in AI alone just this year. And yes, we're about to break down what that really means for you. If you saw headlines like big tech to invest about $650 billion in AI in 2026, you might have thought, cool, but what does that mean? Well, here's the deal. Companies like Alphabet, otherwise known as Google, Amazon, Meta, otherwise known as Facebook and more, and Microsoft are pouring cash into AI infrastructure. This includes hardware, data centers, chip power, software teams, because AI is no longer a perk. It's the engine of future growth. This isn't just spending on cool features or flashy demos. It's about building the systems that run everything we're using and soon will be using, from recommendation engines to real time automation in your job inbox. Now, here's the twist: that massive spending changes the economy in ways most people don't see right away. It's not just about cool gadgets. So, first, your digital life depends on that infrastructure because it's got faster servers, smarter interfaces, and responsive apps you use every day that are built on AI systems that require huge investments in compute power. That's the why behind the headlines. Second, why it matters. Well, jobs and careers are shifting. Companies are investing in automation and AI tools that can do things humans used to do, from writing first drafts to customer support and data analysis. That doesn't necessarily mean job losses across the board, but it does mean shifts in what skills employers are willing to pay for. And third, why it really matters. Well, financial markets feel this too. Because so much cash is flowing into AI, traditional tech revenue streams like software and services are being reevaluated by investors. Some firms are delaying buying back stocks to pay for AI buildouts, and market sentiment really reflects that uncertainty. So let's bring in a quote from someone with a bird's eye view of this current trend. Greg Jensen, the co-CIO at Bridgewater Associates, one of the world's biggest investment firms, said this spending surge has pushed the AI boom into a more dangerous phase because companies are betting big on tech that must deliver results or the financial risk could pile up. And we've talked about before how AI is nowhere near on an ROI scale at the moment, their return on investment. So, put together, we see both the promise and the risk. Innovation can unlock new tools, but the scale of investment means the stakes are higher than ever. So, what does this mean to you, our listeners? What should you take away? Well, first, we'd like to talk about your job skills matter. AI isn't about replacing humans completely, but about augmenting roles. Learning how these systems work gives you a competitive edge in the market. Second, your investments and wages are all tied into it. Whether you run a business, freelance, or work in a corporate job, AI spending trends often reshape hiring priorities and economic expectations. So your 401ks, the hiring AIs out there, they're all really big right now. So third, your digital experience will definitely change from smarter apps to more seamless services, but also deeper questions about privacy, automation, and fairness. Okay, so before we sign off, here's your mission if you choose to accept it. Take 10 minutes this week, or that's what, 600 seconds this week, to explore one AI tool that could help in your job or creative work. Try it, test it, and ask yourself, does this make my work easier? Or does it do something I didn't expect? That's where real learning begins to happen. So, folks, tune in next time for the next AI in 5. This has been your tour guide, JRD, signing off, and stay curious.
Got 5 minutes? Yeah. Let's get with it. AI